Hello all, my name is Sivakumar and I have been developing a theory in physics, and I would like to name the theory Causality Physics, and it is based on the causality principles of Aristotle, which is no effect without a cause, and Newton's third law. My theory has many applications in the field like medicine, transportation, weapons development, and it is suggesting some different things. First, I will explain the medical application. Our human body contains around more than 23 elements like calcium, iron, copper, zinc, etc., etc. And the most interesting thing is, right from our birth, we take food through our mouth, and our food contains all these essential elements. So we take food through our mouth, and the elements in our food goes to their respective places. Like calcium goes to bones, iron goes to hemoglobin, like that. So these elements goes to their respective places, and I would like to name this process as dynamic physical rendering. It's a spontaneous one. Right from our birth, it is happening naturally. And my theory suggests this dynamic physical rendering can be achieved artificially. So we can make anything. It's a type of manufacturing process. And the second important thing is transportation. In the field of transportation, now in our spaceships we are started using ion propulsion systems. The most interesting thing is light has dual property. One is wave nature, and it also has particle nature. See, if ions can propel a spaceship, then being a particle, why can't light? Light should propel. But in order to achieve that, in order to make light to propel our spaceships, we have to modify one important property, and I would like to name it action property of light. If you modify the action property, the way that light behaves, that if we are able to modify the action property of light, then light will propel our spaceships. And my theory is predicting that both electron and positron are not different things. Both are same thing. Both refer to same thing. And ultimately it will say there is no charge. Right now we are not interested in that. And a sheet of aluminum or copper can, under direct sunlight, it can generate electricity. No need for photovoltaic cells, and it can be used to develop weapons, to crumble bones. Yes, it is the reverse process of earlier I said the DPR, dynamic spontaneous dynamic physical rendering.